Do you want to get a US student visa? I will tell you what you need to do. You must watch this video till the end. Obtaining a US student visa is a step-by-step process for which you need to acquire educational, financial, and legal documents. You will need these. If you are planning to pursue your studies in the United States, there are some essential requirements and documents you must have. The first and most important among these is the official Form I-20 document. This is the most fundamental document. When you get admission to a US university or college and they are satisfied with your financial status, they issue you an I-20 form. Without this, you absolutely cannot apply for a visa. The second important thing is the payment of the SEVIS fee. You have to register in the Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, or SEVIS, and pay its fee, which is usually $350. You must have the receipt for this payment with you at the time of your interview. Third, you need the DS-160 form, which is actually an online visa application. After filling it out, you receive a confirmation page, and you must take a printout of this page with you on the day of your interview. And fourth, you need financial proof, which means you are required to provide financial documents. You have to convince the embassy that you have enough funds to cover all your expenses for living and studying in the United States, including your tuition fees, accommodation, and food. For this, you also have to provide your bank statement for the past 6 months. And if someone is sponsoring your expenses, you need to submit a sponsorship letter along with it. You also need to keep in mind that your academic records are required as well. You need to provide all your original certificates from previous education, including your degrees, transcripts, etc. In addition, test scores may also be required with your application, such as English proficiency tests like TOEFL, or tests for graduate or undergraduate admissions like GMAT, GRE, SAT, etc. Besides this, you will also need passport-size photographs. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended entry into the United States, and the photo on it should be a recent passport-size photograph. The US visa requires a specific photo size, so it should comply with those requirements. Let me briefly explain the steps involved in obtaining a visa. First of all, you need to get admission to a university. Do you want to get a US student visa? I will tell you what you need to do. You must watch this video till the end. Obtaining a US student visa is a step-by-step process for which you need to acquire educational,